person cannot survive on this money. And right from the word go, no, what they are dreaming be as any penitrim say, baby, I was starting me a movement, you know, yes, can or the socket away. Why are we as a country doing this to ourselves? I'm asking the politicians, those are the helm of affairs. Now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, we are talking to you. Because this one is an insult to the service personnel. 715 Ghana cedis. Now, baby, you got to the crowd. School fees, assuming say I'm on the dime. The light bill says can we bet me to ya. Obey the what water bill. Oh my goodness, Mother Ghana. We are doing it for our country and our God. We are doing it for God. Secondly, for our country. Because this is so serious. It is insulting. And then yet, we have, and look, and there are times, 715 Ghana cedis, a check crown, sanaba. So how do you expect the person to live? Because you are telling the person, say, "Papa movement, a corruption," and yet we are told by the fourth estate, Manasa Azure, national service. Watch this car, allegedly say,
yeah, ghost names.
So now we can confirm. Because that matter will be going to court. So that is why we have to say it's an alleged.
Oh, yes.
Allegedly, that money, that quantum of money, echo down the drain. Why are we doing this to ourselves as a country? As a country. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, this is a passionate appeal from SOMPA 106.5 FM. We are telling you to work on this figure. Because Farida money or so I'm national service and this we how would you feel? In a day, how much do you spend on Farida? In a day, how much do you spend? Is it mana for what? How much do you spend on them? We know, say, our revenue generation as a country, but some of these things, indirectly, we are training people to become corrupt. So please pay attention, His Excellency, Mr. President.
Now, Prof, yes. Lamentations near the end, it could be a possible reason and be a dodgy service.
Good. Now because me
yes.
Now say me meeting crying. Now they may buy a call Saboba to national service. Do you think say me bana kwana?
At the end of the day, Ukran of money in his car.
Good. Now they so we are telling whoever is in power today, the NDC government led by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, SOMPA FM, we are communicating this to you. We are communicating this figure to you.
Prof, and then they will prove minimum one kasa.
Oh, David. That's when you may be or
Waka Ghana for some.
Oh, David, just like this issue. Daho. You ma.
Zoom lion case.
Tomorrow I'm going to go into that
250 Ghana cedis.
And then when you listen to the PR person of just one group of companies trying to defend that.
Very serious.
And just one himself. Say, they do it for only about 3 hours and then they go 4 hours, they go. My goodness. 250 Ghana cedis. Bosome.
Nipa prakwan ho sa emu futuro ni ade.
But do you think I no mu dream omo infection in your
very serious.
Tomorrow, Abochie's point of view, we'll be looking at this.
And Prof, we ugusu edi abobo ye gina Ghana for anemu edi abobo no. Because I work Ghana for asem amomopa. Ehun ya nyamishra Prof. Na wo mu ni say what make you passionate appeal to the president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Good.
Penine and the phone that's what Facebook US. It's what I said in a note you.
But unim bibi. I said, Mama, this time Oba, his his behavior no nyina che say or a very listening person. As at this time they all can say mo uti.
My mention come back. You know, what say oba here no or the minimum age we increase minimum wage we increasing by
19.9.
Fantastic.
Sure.
Yes.
Cities.
Yes, 10% you know or the car.
Yeah.
And you know who can say me did say what you can okodaju ho anadwo ya 715 you know obetumi epia konenim.
Amo pia konenim they should give credit to SOMPA.
Oh yes.
6.5.
Wo voice no na ama na okodaju no ho. You know. Now for the yeah military training no a ye dey abeka ho no.
Sure.
I no ye dey man penny John Dramani see so no afiwe mo no. The first State of the Nation address or the core parliament kan ye no on the 27th of February 2025 and a penny ye dey ko to just say Ghana ye dey sakra kakra aba ye national service ni mo no and say or say oman no introduce short term. When you're very specific or say short term, until that short term could be defined by the engineers of the scheme. Until I say, who are tertiary institution BR from 2025